Right now we're here at Photon Cainta. Then I would like to show you what is inside this Photon Tundra. To be honest with you guys, right now I'm not expecting na ganito kaganda tong mismong Photon Tundra na to Na hindi ko ina-expect na yung mismong personal look niya is parang mas may ganda yung mismong expectation ko when I watch it sa YouTube, kasi meron nang nagpakita nito. Then the good thing about this Photon Tundra, it's a 2.0 diesel engine with 118 horsepower. Then technically, guys, with the specs, grabe, napaka talaga, mamamangha ka. It's a 4-wheel drive, guys, diesel engine, 118. Then if you try to look, sobrang ganda ng mismong loob niya. Parang naka-European concept din. Ang unang impression ko sa kanya, parang naka-RAM na, parang pinag-combination ng RAM ng Toyota, what we call this, I think possible Toyota, i-double check ko Then with the Ford F-150, the best talaga siya. With this technology, guys, meron siyang kasamang dial na parang kung titignan mo, hindi na siya yung conventional. Yung technology, nag-upgrade, may paddle shifter pa with the 2.0, yung steering wheel naka leather wrap with the 1, 2, 3, 4 spoke. Then yung mga configuration, like I think for the entertainment nandito. And then ito naman yung mismong mode niya if you want to change. Then this is all digital and lahat na, guys, kumbaga parang hindi na siya analog, all digital. May ambient light, leather seat, meron siyang 8 ways, then meron siyang lumbar support. Then together with yung mismong unit is, kumbaga parang meron na rin siyang kasama yung mismong fingerprint for the opening. Then together with, sobrang ganda ng mags, 4x4 yung mismong emblem, LED, ayan, with the Photon logo, yung mismong accessories niya. And I think this has also, meron din siyang kasamang parang backing camera. Ayan, yun lang, guys, makita nyo, one of the best pickup line na makikita natin sa market. And you can visit here at Photon Cainta. Sir, what's your name?
John Louis Pineda, sir.
Sir John Louis Pineda. And sir, what's your name?
Anjo. Hi,
Sir Anjo, ayan po. And this is the top season. I would like to comment, and I would like to, guys, to introduce to you this handsome gentleman here at Photon Cainta. To visit here, just visit here. This is the top salesman, and i-assist kayo ng mga handsome gentleman ng Photon Cainta. Ayan po. And to God all be the glory. Always watch, follow the top salesman for all inquiries and for all those questions. Message lang kayo down below the comment. God bless you all, guys. To God be the glory.